Hi guys. I'm gonna be doing this long awaited video that nobody else is doing on YouTube. I'm making the joy sign out of the Dollar Tree stuff. Sitting backwards at my desk right now because we need the natural light. Thank you, God. From what I watched on YouTube, you need 2 of the candy canes and 1 circle one. And then most people used 1 pack of the wired garland ties per metal piece. But I got 4 because I just didn't know if that would be enough. And I didn't want a bunch of bald spots. So let's see. Oh, this is going to be messy. My glue gun is warming up. It's almost there. And these are just little individual ties. So, we'll see how it works. I guess I need to go ahead and cutting my tag off and make my Y. So, we'll see if these KitchenAid scissors cut it. I don't want to go outside. It's cold. Okay. Oh. We'll do the Y last. I don't know. Some people said that they didn't use wire cutters. It probably took them 3 hours to do it too. I'd rather just walk out there and get the crap. I don't know why I'm acting like this one's different than the other one. Okay, so this is gonna be the J. Is that right for y'all? I think. For joy. And I'm just gonna start wrapping it on there. Don't know if there's any rhyme or reason to this. Actually, I might have bought the wrong stuff because I thought theirs was like garland.
Everybody's sleeping, all is peace, and I'm still hanging round in a house that's filled with lights, walking through a midnight wonderland. The wise men keeping watch, now it's midnight, and though it's cold outside, we're staying warm. And the star will always shine. It's the season for all time, walking in our midnight wonderland. The fuss and hustle of yesterday's gone. Now let us focus on the holidays, having fun.
Okay, so the verdict is in. I don't know if I used too much, but in order not to have like gaping holes like that, this is what I had to use, and this is how much 1 pack did. So I'm gonna have to go back to the Dollar Tree. And I keep looking at myself, and I'm so sorry, but I'm still new at this, so just ignore that. I'm trying to look here. I'm thinking maybe 2 packs of these will do each thing. I don't even know about the O, but I'll just do as many as this will do, and then I'll start on the O. And if you see any of the stuff back here in the background, it's all aftermath of Christmas, and I haven't put it away yet, so ignore that. I'm taking the end of one side and just barely putting it over and bending it, and then taking over the complete front, bending it around, sending it back through, if I can do it this way, to where it wraps around that last wire, pulling it tight, and then wrapping it around the wire again, and then taking it through this last wire. So that way you get like 3 rows of coverage out of each. I have to pick them up or the cats will make them disappear till I spring clean next year. Anyway, what I was saying, you get 3 rows of coverage out of one piece. So I just realized that I was doing this completely backwards, because the way the J is going to go, the part that's not curved is what's going to be the front. You can't really tell on camera the difference, but you can see some like wire down here. Nobody said that in their video. Maybe nobody's as stupid as I am. So I'm trying to debate if I'm gonna take them off from here and use this as the Y. I think, yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. So pay attention to that, because nobody mentioned that in their video. So I started wrapping the O, and it's actually going pretty quickly. I don't know why it's going so much quicker. Maybe I just have the hang of it now. So I'm gonna wrap the rest of this, and I've took that down to that so that maybe I can salvage that and they'll all match.
Outside, we're staying warm, and the star will always shine. It's the season for all times, walking in our midnight wonderland. Everything is calm, now it's midnight. Everybody's sleeping, all is peace, and I'm still hanging round in a house that's filled with lights, walking in our midnight wonderland, walking through a midnight wonderland.
So the O is done. Look at my pants. It makes a huge mess. Got a little Dollar Tree haul. Can't just run in for one thing. So I thought I'd show you that real quick in the middle of this video. And I haven't even took it out of the bags, obviously. Found this little container. It just says Merry Christmas. It's got the plastic candles. It's like bent cool. And then I found one of these. They actually still had them. I've seen this on several other people's videos, and I wanted one, and it was stuck down in some other containers like this that had snowflakes on it. So I was glad to find that. And then I think I did buy the wrong thing like the first time, but I mean, I like how they turned out, but they didn't have any more of these just like pieces that I was using, so I just had to get a piece of this that I think this is what everyone else was using in their videos. But anyway, so we'll see how it blends. I mean, it looks like it might be okay, but that's all I had to work with. So I did pick up some of this glitter, what do they call it? Glitter drape, but I think I'm gonna use some of it to on my Christmas decor in my living room. So I figured it's $1. If it doesn't look how I want it, it's not that much, but I think that'll work good. Can we calm down, please? The cats are going crazy. Hoss has some friends over and they think it's a party. I did find these. I got the last 2 packs that my store had. Thought they were so cute. They are glittery and they're plastic, but I really like those. And I picked up this box of saltine crackers because I can never get through like a big box with the 4 rows in it before they go stale. So I thought I would try these and see how they were. This is a Christmas present. Well, she probably won't watch it. Sophie, if you're watching this video, turn it off right now. Okay? I found this at the Dollar Tree. It's a Peppa Pig nightlight. And Sophie doesn't really like Peppa Pig as Peppa Pig, but as like the savage gangster Peppa Pig. So I'm gonna draw some black sunglasses like they do the da-da-da-da-da Snoop Dogg song, and put those glasses on things. There's a bunch of videos like it. You can find it. But I think she'll think that's funny. So this is just kind of a funny gift. But if you ruin the surprise, it's your fault. And then they have 6-foot extension cords for $1 at the Dollar Tree. So I got one. And the last thing I got with the yeah. It's a set of 4 little saucers. They're glass. And I was needing some for like dips and stuff. And I found these and I thought that was a great deal. So I picked them up. But anyway, that's my little haul. I'm going to try to finish wrapping these. And then I'll come back when I start putting it together. This is the finished product of the joy sign. All I did was finish wrapping the garland around the rest of the pieces, and then I attached them by hot gluing them together and put the little peppermint balls on there with hot glue as well. You may want to get something for the back to stabilize it because it was pretty flimsy for me, but I just used a stick of wood. Thank you all for watching.
For all times, walking in our midnight wonderland.